Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Zoliswa, and to officially join my YouTube family, please click on that subscribe button and also do personalize the notification bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. Welcome to day 1 of 7 days Yama Phondo. This is a 7-day series where I'll be teaching you different ponytail and bun hairstyles. Simple, elevated looks you can wear to school, work, anywhere really. Today we are doing an infinite bun, the middle part, and 2 side bangs. You already know you need to wash your hair, also base your scalp. Only base your scalp, don't make your hair too greasy. You want to go ahead and section your hair exactly as I have done. You start by sectioning the low bun, the back bun, and then you tie it using your wool. You can use your ribbons, whatever that feels comfortable to you. You guys, I missed doing this so much. I haven't done ponytails or bun tutorials in the longest of time, but you guys, I decided to do a 7-day series for you guys so that I can bring back that tutorial spark. So you want to go ahead and take your styling gel. You can use whichever one that you are comfortable with, but I use the Dark and Lovely one. So far that's my favorite styling gel. Once you are done with the back section, you want to go ahead and section out your side bangs. To be quite honest, I didn't really see the need of doing the side bangs, but I realized later when I was done. But they didn't really ruin the bun, they just made it look good. But if I were to redo it again, I wouldn't do the side bangs. And then you want to do your middle parts exactly as I am doing. And then when you apply your styling gel in sections. Reason being, sometimes your hair doesn't really slick down if you just apply it after you've tied the hair, and also it can wrinkle your hair. Like when you apply the styling gel, your hair might get, I don't know how to put this, but it might get wrinkled up instead of like slick. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say, but yes, you apply it in section if you really want that bun to be slicked, your styling gel application to be really slicked. To make your styling gel application neat, you want to go ahead and take your brush and brush your hair. This method slicks your hair beautifully, and it just makes your bun neat. Once you are done with your styling gel application, you should end up with something like that. And then you want to go ahead and dry your styling gel. You can use hot air or medium to hot air, it's up to you. And then you want to go ahead and take your hair. This is one bundle of quina. I love the texture of this hair because it is not too silky and it also isn't too coarse, so it's just beautiful and perfect for this hairstyle that I'm going for. So you want to go ahead and take the bundle and cut it in half. The one half you're going to roll it on one bun and the other one on the other. So this is how I do it. You want to take the first half and sew it around your first ponytail. The you can start with the lower one or the upper one, it's entirely up to you, but I decided to start with the lower one. When you are done, you want to make sure that you detangle your hair exactly as I am doing, and then when you are done detangling your hair, you are going to do exactly what you did on the other bun. And then when you are done, you want to go ahead and roll the bun exactly as I am doing. You twist and twist and twist, and then you roll it around the bun. Once you are done, you'll end up with two donuts like this, and then you want to go ahead and loosen them up because we want to style them and make them look a bit loose and natural, not too tight, and to also give them volume. And then you want to go ahead and take your pins and then you pin it while you style it. Then after that, you are done. But you can also sew it in if you want to sew it in. But because I'm doing this series, I don't last with these hairstyles. I just do them for the tutorial sake. I just pin the hair. Now it's time to do the bangs. You want to go ahead and take your hair bonding glue and take 2 small pieces of hair, apply it on the hair, and then you wait for the hair to be tacky before you put it on the section that you've left for your bangs. Guys, use cold air when you do this part, please don't burn yourselves. Then to add shine on my hair, I use the L'Oreal Elvive serum. This is my favorite. It smells good. I love it. Now you cut the bangs to your desired size. I like mine short. Then you want to go ahead and style them however you want. You can curl them, you can make them straight, or you can just bend them just like I did. Gee, it's up to you. This one was a bit long, but I realized that it was long and then I decided to recut it again. And then you are done. Please do let me know what you think of this hairstyle, and I'm gonna see you on the next one tomorrow. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Yama Phondo Sana, they are so back. They are so back. They are so back. This is season 1. Hopefully I'm gonna come back with season 2 next month. I'm still gonna think about it. But so far, this is our season 1, episode 1. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to see you on the next coming one. I love you and God bless you.